Okay, so we are looking at the VCAA 2015 question from exam 2, section 1, question 17. So it says a graph with rule f of x is equal to x to the power of 3 minus 3x squared plus c, where c is a real number, has 3 distinct x-intercepts. The set of all possible values of c is. So the first thing, if we are going to have 3 distinct x-intercepts, then the cubic must have a local max above the x-axis and a local min below the x-axis. So we're looking at this, where we clearly have 3 points. So the first thing we need to look at is we need to find the stationary points. So to find the stationary points, we are going to find the derivative of f of x. So the derivative of f of x would be 3x minus 1, so that'll be 2. Take away 2 times 3 is 6, 6x, and the constant at the end is cancelled out. Okay, so the next part, I can see that I can factorize out the x. So that would turn into, well, I can factor out the 3 as well. 3x, and that gives me x take away 2. Okay, this tells me straight away my 2 stationary points. First stationary point has to right now occur at x is equal to 0, and the second one has to occur at x is equal to 2. So those are my SP, my stationary points. We're going to find the values of our y at the moment for both of these. So let's look at our y values, which means we are going to grab this and we are going to substitute it in. So the first one, if I substitute f of 0 into my original equation, all my x's are 0 and it leaves me with c. The second thing I'm going to substitute is my 2. If I put in 2, that will be 2 to the power of 3, which is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12 plus c. I can simplify that down to c take away 4, or you could have done negative 4 plus c. Okay, so right now, if we look at this, it really looks like, at the moment, this here, for f of o equals c, if c is 0, it's going to be on the axis. So it needs to be greater than 0, so, but not equal to. That's the first part. The second part I can see is this part right here, where it can't be any more than 4, because then our local mit will be over into the positive. So that means it can be up to 4, but not equal to, which is our D.